Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. My name is Levion and I enjoy posting videos that motivate you to clean, decorate, and organize your home. If you aren't already subscribed and after watching this video you are feeling my vibe, please go ahead and consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm doing a light dusting and cleaning in my home. My home to me is just a dust magnet, and in order to keep it down to a minimum, I do obviously have to keep it dusted as often as I possibly can. I do change my sheets between once or twice a week, so I'll just be throwing them in the washing machine before I start. In the laundry room, I noticed it was also attracting a lot of dust as well as a lot of spills on the washer and dryer from the fabric softener and the laundry detergent. So I'll just go ahead and give the laundry room a really quick clean. So I like to go by the go ahead and get it done method, and that just means if you notice something out of place or could just use a quick cleanup, I will usually just go ahead and get it together real quick, especially if I know it'll only take just a few minutes to get it back in order. Doing this will help keep things in order and will definitely prevent those small tasks and chores turning into huge ones.
Nothing's ever enough, even if I try too hard. Tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive.
Before placing my sheets back on my bed, I'll just give my headboard and footboard a really good vacuum. Now, I don't do this every time I change my sheets and everything like that because nobody has time for that every single time, but I do like to make sure that I do it often enough just to kind of keep all the dust and allergens and things like that down. I already started to put my bedding back on my bed. I do like to have at least 2 sets of sheets, that way I always have one available. So I mentioned to you guys before, if you have not invested in a silk pillowcase, what are you waiting for? So these pillowcases are just the cutest. If you haven't noticed, I have a huge flower mural behind my bed. Hello, my name is Levion and I am obsessed with flower print. So not only are these super cute and fun, they keep your head and hair cool for a good night's sleep. The satin technology keeps your hair free flowing, tangle, and frizz free. So when you wake up in the morning and you look in the mirror, you'll be like, I woke up like this. Flawless. I know sometimes for me, wearing my scarf or my bonnet to bed just ain't cute. So having a silk pillowcase definitely comes in handy on those nights when I'm feeling a little cute, or even those nights when I fall asleep and forget to wrap my hair. These silk pillowcases are just perfect and a definite must have. I also love that they have like a little pocket fold so you can kind of hide away your pillow so you won't have like any leftover pillow hanging out. So that's definitely a plus as well. I will have a link below in the description box for anyone interested in getting some of these pillowcases. I definitely recommend it. Go ahead and get you some silk pillowcases, girlfriend. Moving right along to these nightstands, they are great and everything, but they will definitely tell you the truth on how dusty your room is. If you have mirrored furniture, you know that these babies do require a lot of upkeep, especially if you are easily annoyed with fingerprints on your furniture. Next, I'm just moving on to my little shoe room, shoe space. She gotta get it clean. Just dusting off everything in here, making sure that everything is nice and tidy. So next on to my powder room. Having clean bathrooms for me is an absolute must, but this one does seem to get a little bit more attention because it seems like it's the most used bathroom. So I do like to make sure that it's clean and disinfected daily.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
Last but not least, I'll be doing my entryway. I'll just be dusting the furniture and cleaning off the mirror. Then I'll be vacuuming the floors. After that, I'll just be done cleaning my much needed spaces in my home. I hope by watching today, you found some motivation to clean any space in your home as you may see fit. I hope that you have enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Say what's up. Let me know how your day is going, or if you are planning on cleaning, or if you've been cleaning along with me. If you aren't already, please go ahead and consider subscribing. And if you haven't clicked on that bell notification, please go ahead and do so you'll be notified next time I post my next video. I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.
Trying to keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that